everyone, welcome to the channel, and I'm going to show you how I wash my hair. And to wash my hair today, I am using the Wonder Curls Detoxifying Clay Cleanser. So this is one that I've used several times, and of course got another one, and it's ready for me to use. So to start off, I always start by sectioning my hair into at least 4 parts. After my hair has been sectioned into 4 parts, I take one part of my hair and I'm going to spray it. Now this clay, it's like any other clay, is different. It's different from any other clay. Why? Because you don't have to do all that mixing, you know, mixing and mixing. Look at the consistency. It's so nice and creamy, very nice and creamy. And one thing that I know about this clay is that it's not going to give me product buildup, it's not going to give me residues in my hair. So I'm just putting it to my scalp, and it goes in so nicely, it glides in so nicely. My curls are already popping, they're already clumping together, and yeah, so I'm just going to continue doing this and applying it throughout my hair. So after putting the clay all throughout my hair, I'm going to take my hair, one section, and I'm going to start detangling. And this clay does an amazing job with detangling. So let's play this into a smaller section and watch. So starting from the ends, you can see how my comb just glides so easily through my hair. It detangles so effortlessly, I tell you, effortlessly. So look at that, even a bigger section. So you just want to detangle your hair. I'm going to take the last section and just show you. Look at that. My hair melts like butter. So see that? That's a big chunk of my hair. Oh my goodness, this hair I absolutely love. I love that it works as a cleansing product and also as a detangler. Look at this. So good. This is absolutely good. So after washing my hair, this is what my hair looks like. It's clean. Oh my goodness, look at that. And my curls are back. Everything is looking oh so good. Feels so nice. This absolutely feels really nice. Look at my curls all clumping and stuff, and my hair is all soft. I love this. I absolutely love this. See, my hair feels so free and my scalp feels so clean. And let me show you. Let me show my scalp. Let me show you my scalp. Look at that. See that? All clean. There's no buildup anywhere inside. So I have finished washing my hair and conditioning it, and I'm just going to start styling it. And today I am doing what am I doing? Something I've done, it's been a while since I've done it. I'm doing a twist and curl. You know, twist and curl. Twist and curl. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. So let's start. For the twist and curl, I will be using 2 products from the Wonder Curl line. I'm using their moisturizing hair pudding, and then I'm also topping that off with their Get Set jelly. Now the hair pudding is of you know, creamy consistency. It's a bit jiggly, and this is very nice and creamy. It smells really nice, really nice, like all the rest of the products on that line. And then the Get Set jelly, Get Set hair jelly. This is one of my favorite. This is really good. Like if it's humid outside and you use this product, it works. This is my second jar of this product line, and you can see is a nice thick gel. Now the pudding, the main ingredients of the pudding is aloe vera, okay, shea butter, and castor oil. So it's very, very moisturizing, and the main ingredients for the jelly is also aloe vera. It also has pro vitamin B5, and it contains ingredients that do not dry out your hair, so none of that alcohol that dries your hair. Okay, so let's start. I'm going to wear my hair my usual part, and I'm going to start by sectioning my hair with the gold comb. You know, that's how we roll. So just taking this one section right here, I'm gonna add in the pudding. So just a little bit of the pudding, and you see the pudding, it's very soft, and when you put on your hair, it doesn't leave any residue. You don't see any residue left in my hair. It's a light, soft, fluffy pudding. Then I'm gonna top it, of course, with my Get Set gel, and they mix so well together, so you're not gonna have any flakes, any clumpiness. After doing this, you want to comb your hair really well. So just take your hair and we're gonna twist it up. I usually do a rope twist because that's one of my favorites. So I'm just twist this and then twist this. So we're twisting against twist. When you get to be about, I want to say about 3 inches or 2 inches, depending on how long your hair is, I'm going to comb the hair even more. So I'm going to get a comb that has even more closer tip like that, and I'm combing this through. I'm putting more of my gel at the end so as to clump it up a little bit more. You don't want to put too much. So you see this gel, you see how there's no residue, absolutely no residue. Using my comb, combing it more, and then you take your rollers or your perm rods, and I'm starting at that end, and I'm just wrapping it and rolling it, trying to smoothen it. And when I wrap it, I don't wrap it on top of each other because I do want it to dry up. Okay, and then I'm just going to take my clip and just attach it like that. And that is one down and more to go. So I am done putting my hair into this twist and curls, and I'm just gonna spin around and show you what it looks like. So this is what my hair looks like. I am going to let this dry, and then I'm gonna come back and show you what it looks like after it has dried up. Okay, so it is the next day and my hair is completely dry, I hope, yeah, and it still feels very nice and soft. So I'm just gonna go and I'm just gonna unravel the twist and reveal to you what it looks like. So usually when you unravel it, you take it down and you just spin it like that. Okay, so that's how you unravel the curls. So let's do that again. Remove this bobby pin, then just take it down, curl. So it creates that nice spiral curl, and it's a tight curl. Once you've removed all the rollers, it's just time to unravel the twist. And so with the twist, you know, you just start with the first last twist that you made right there, and you just pull it apart. And I'm just gonna scrunch this up, release it, and it's so much easier to come apart. And this is the curl that gets created. It's really, really nice, and you can see almost no frizz on it, and it has a nice curl to it. This is what it looks like. You can see the curls, and it's really nice and fluffy, and you see. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna make it a bit bigger, and just unravel it like that. Just let it do what it does, just to make it a bit bigger, and just separate it where it separates. This is the final result. This is how my hair looks like. My hair, the curls are really nice and soft. So for my edges, I'm just gonna take a bit of my spray bottle and spray some water to my edges. I'll be adding the gel, the Get Set gel. Take some of the gel and put it to my edges just to make it a little bit neater, like that. Just smoothing it. Let's see. This is my hair. I just love how soft it is. I'm going to turn around and show you the back. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this, you can check out this product. This is the Wonder Curls. And yeah, so you can check out the Wonder Curls. I love it, and it does what it says it will do. So yeah, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.